Welcome to episode 12 of JavaScript. This is the 126th episode that I've created on website design and computer programming for free distribution over YouTube and Vimeo. Please take advantage of these podcasts. Now, that said, let's go out w3schools.com to the JavaScript tutorial, and we're going to look at pop-up boxes in the next 3 episodes. This episode is on the alert box, and that's the first type of pop-up box in this lesson. The alert box simply exists to send a message with we want to get someone's special attention. Okay? Now, the second type is the confirm box, which we will take a look at in our next episode. Now, with the confirm box, we assume that our viewer has made some choice, and we simply want to give them an opportunity to confirm that choice or to cancel it. And then the third type, which is very useful, is the prompt box. With the prompt box, we are actually asking our viewer to give us data that we will use in some way. Okay? That said, let's go back and visit that web page that we created. Do you remember it was the one that, based upon the day of the week, would tell us what's probably for dinner tonight? Okay? And I have 3 buttons that I added to this page. The first button is for an alert box. When I press that button, JavaScript sends me an alert that says, I am starving. How do we program that? Well, it's a 2-step process. Let's go to our old friend Text Wrangler, and we're up into the head of our web page, and we are creating some JavaScript. And the function or the part that we are interested in is right here. We declare a function which we call showAlert. Now, there's only one thing that happens in showAlert. We call another function called alert, but this one is a JavaScript function. We don't have to program it. All we need to do is to tell it what message we want to send our viewer. And we put that message within the parentheses, and it's quoted. So the message I chose was, I am starving, ! But that alone doesn't get it done. We've got to go down into the body. And here's all that logic that we used to figure out the dinner menu. And then here's our button right here. We use an input statement. And the type of input is button. Now, we're using the onClick property, and we're saying with onClick, if my viewer clicks the button, run showAlert. That is our JavaScript function we just looked at. Now, the value on this is the value that is displayed on the button. Press if hungry. So let's go back and see it one more time. There's our button. Press if hungry. I am starving. Okay. So, play around a little bit with alert boxes in your practice pages, or if you've got a web page that needs one, go ahead and give it a try. And I'll see you shortly to talk about the confirm box.